I've redesigned the National Association of Apartment Locators website with a new, clean, and modern design for 2026. As an NAAL Locator member, you need to go in and create your new agent profile. I did not import the profiles from the previous website because a lot of the information was outdated, but it's really quick for you to go in and create your new agent profile. So let me show you how. Just go to member login and log in with your credentials. Your credentials have not changed. The members only section has now been renamed the Locator Commission Directory, and I'll be sending more information about that later. But as an NAAL member, you'll see down here is a section for all of your member resources and tools. So then you're going to go to Agent Profile, and it's going to have you log in one more time just for security reasons into the WordPress website. So it'll take you directly to your member profile. Now you can update your public profile and update your picture, and any information that you update here will be updated on the website in real time. Our previous agent profile, it would update 2 or 3 times a day. This way you can update all of your information in real time and you don't have to wait for any delay. You can view the public profile here. And website visitors can still contact you and you'll still get your leads in your contact form directly from the website. And you can also have clients leave reviews on your profile as well. Just to go through the profile information, it's mainly self-explanatory, but you can fill in your title and position. You can use any title that you want. Most of these are just fill in text boxes. I don't have predetermined answers. Phone numbers need to be formatted correctly with the parentheses or the dot or dashes, however you choose to do it. If you have a WhatsApp or a Telegram for social media calls that you're using, you can enter them here. I know some locators speak multiple languages, so you can just type in the different languages that you speak. Again, it's all free form. Your company name, of course. If you ever change brokers or change the name of your company, please make sure you come back and update your contact information. I updated my service areas. I'm obviously not a locator. I did this just for demonstration, but these are local neighborhoods around San Diego that I would probably help find apartments if I was a locator. As far as specialties go, this comes under actually services. And I just wrote like a cute little sentence or paragraph about helping renters instead of just saying, the specialties like apartments, loft, townhouse, penthouses. I wanted to add like just a warm greeting for people that might see my profile. Again, this is just a demonstration. I'm going to take my profile down because I don't want there to be any confusion. I just filled it out for you. Same with the about me or the bio section. I actually use ChatGPT to help me write just like a warm paragraph about, wanting to help renters in San Diego. And then at the bottom, of course, I filled in all of my social media and also listed my website. I will say something about your website. If you have one, please list it. We actually do spend money on marketing our site, and NAAL website is the #1 authority website on the internet for apartment locating. And so we get quite a bit of traffic. And so if you add your website information here, then it just creates like a backlink back to your website, which is good for your own traffic. Make sure you always save your changes because that caught me up a couple of times actually. And then if you ever need to update your password or anything like that, you can do that from here. After you're done saving all of your changes, again, you can go and view your public profile and see all the changes. You can make as many changes and then just, refresh each time you want to see it until it gets to be exactly the way you want and presents you as a professional apartment locator. After you're finished, you can just log out and then you are good to go. Then whenever you go to find the locator, you will see your profile listed here. And as all of our current members get their agent profiles listed, then the Find My Locator page will be back to normal. So please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you and Happy New Year.